Hello, children. Today, our topic for revision in English class is the literature part. Okay, as you know, we are preparing for IE2. We have revised the grammar part, and today we will be revising the literature part. In literature, you've got one chapter that is Festivals Are Fun, and another one is the poem A Happy Child. So, question answers will come from this chapter, and RTC will come from the poem. Okay, so you have only one chapter to learn, and another one is the poem. So, I will once again revise this chapter with you. See, festivals are fun. This is the name of the chapter, and all about the festivals has been discussed in this chapter. Okay, so here you can see Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ, right? Because it is the birthday of Jesus Christ, so we celebrate Christmas on 25th December. I hope that by now you must have learned the keywords of this chapter. See, if you have learned the keywords of this chapter, it's not going to be difficult for you to answer any question from this lesson. Okay, so now from this you can ask the questions can be asked like when do we celebrate Christmas, or which festival is celebrated on 25th December, or whose birthday is celebrated on Christmas, right? So these are the questions we can ask, or even which delicacy or sweet is concerned with Christmas, and that is the cake, right? Another one is Navroz. Another festival is Navroz festival, which marks the beginning of a Parsi New Year. Okay, it marks the beginning of Parsi New Year, and it is celebrated on 21st of March. This is what you have to remember. 21st March, Navroz festival is celebrated, and Ravo dish, sweet dish is made on this festival, and people decorate their houses. Another one festival is Gurpurab. Okay, we enjoy festivals with our family and friends. We go to Gurdwara on Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday, which is called Gurpurab, which has happened just now on this Monday, on the past Monday actually. So it was Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday is on Gurpurab, and people go to Gurdwara to pray. Next one is Eid. Eid comes after Ramzan. It comes after Ramzan, and what is Ramzan? It is the month of fasting. And on the day of Eid, we give clothes and foods to the poor people. And which sweet dish is made? Sevai. Sevai or sevia is made on this particular festival. Next one is the Diwali festival. It is the festival of lights. People decorate the house with candles and lights. They eat sweets and they wear new clothes. Another festival is Holi, which is the festival of colors. People play with colored water, with balloons or colors, right? So Holi is a fun. So this is all about the festivals. Okay, now any question can be asked out of this. For example, which festival is celebrated on 21st of March? Right? Where do people go to pray on Gurpurab? What is Ramzan, or what is the month of fasting called? Which festival is related to Sevai, or when do we celebrate Navroz on 21st of November, March, and then which is the festival of lights? How do you decorate your houses? Which is the festival of colors? What do you do on Holi? Or which is your favorite festival? Even general questions can be asked, like which is your favorite festival and why? So you should be ready with all the answers, and you must learn all the keywords I tell you. Okay. Now next one is the poem A Happy Child. Let me read it for you. Right. My house is red, a little house, a happy child am I. I laugh and play the long, long day, I hardly ever cry. I repeat, my house is red, a little house, a happy child am I laugh and play the long, long day, I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green, green tree to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my work is done. Right? So, any question can be asked like, what does the child have? How does tree help the child? When does child sit under the tree? Does the child ever cry or is the child happy? What is the name of the poem? Any such questions can be asked. Okay, so now we have revised both of the things. Are you ready to solve the questionnaire given over here? Okay, so these are the questions that you have to write the answers for. Question number 1 is, what sweet do people eat on Navroz? Easy one. What sweet do people eat on Navroz? Question number 2, whose birthday is celebrated on 25th December? Question number 3, with whom do you celebrate the festivals? Right? With whom do you celebrate the festivals? You have to mention that with whom do you celebrate the festivals. Question number 4, for example, I can say that I celebrate the festivals with my family. Some of you can say I celebrate the festivals with my friends. Okay, so it depends upon you. How do you celebrate? Question number 4, what does the child have? What does the child have in the poem A Happy Child? Question number 5, how does the tree help the boy? How does that tree help the boy? Right. Question number 6, when does the child sit under the tree? When does the child sit under the tree? You know the answer. So we have discussed all the questions. Now you have to write all the answers in your notebook. Okay, this is your task for today. You will revise the chapters once again on your own, and then you have to write the answers to all these questions in your notebook. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.